ilethe umbuzo ubhekise kimi and futhi ngifisa ukubhekisa kuwe ukuthi njengoba ukhona emhlabeni nje wenza intando kabani, sifike esikhathini la bazalwane abantu bethanda khona kakhulu idemocracy because ibanikeza ilungelo lokwenza abakuthandayo ngesikhathi abasithandayo. Kodwa bazalwane ufuna ukuthi siyibheke lento ukuthi ke kungathi ku process ye democracy sizithole sixabana noNkulunkulu. So empilweni yakho ufuna uzibuza ukuthi wenza intando kabani, wenza intando kabani, uphethwe ubani wena kahle kahle, ubani umuntu, ubani lo oshaya isicathulo, ubani lo okunikeza ama orders, ubani lo okunikeza ama commands. uJesu uthi ngizile emhlabeni, so ukusuka kwakhe ezulwini ezemhlabeni uthi not to do my own will. Uyabo, akazelanga ukwenza intando yakhe, uthi kodwa ngenza intando yaloyo ongithumile. Ngenza intando yaloyo, not my own will but the will of him who sent me. Ngamanye amazwi uJesu uthi as long as I'm on this earth I'm not on my own. I'm not on my own. So injani kuwe le ndaba, injani kuwe wena wenza intando kabani, wena wenza intando kabani njengoba ukhona nje emhlabeni, ubani owenza intando. Isibazalwane intando kaNkuluNkulu isinikeza igaranti ngefuture. Intando kaNkuluNkulu isinikeza igaranti ngefuture. So because ziningi izinto esihlangana nazo la endleleni bazalwane, ziningi izinto esihlangana nazo, kodwa uma wazi ukuthi usentandweni noma isimo singabukeka ngathi sinzima, sibukeke ngathi sibhlungu, kubukeke ngathi kuyaphela ngawe, kodwa if la ukhona usentandweni kaNkuluNkulu then you know ukuthi we have a happy ending. Yingakho uJesu simuzwe ethandaza eGetsemane, elithi iBhayibheli he went a little further. Matthew 26 verse 39, he went a little further and fell on his face and prayed, saying, "Oh Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me. Nevertheless, not as I will, but as you will." So uJesu eseGetsemane ebhekene nesiphambano, ebhekene nesikhathi esinzima empilweni yakhe, wathandazela ukwenza intando kaNkuluNkulu nanoma bese kunzima, ngoba kunezikhathi la intando kaNkuluNkulu izwa ukuthi yabona ke namhlanje ayinkitazi yababa, namhlanje tough inzima, kodwa nakuzo lezo ikhathi bese uyalwa, ulwela ukwethembeka kuNkuluNkulu, ulwela ukwenza lokho akushoyo, ulwela ukubekezelela leso simo, ngoba kunomvuzo bazalwane ukuba sentandweni kaNkuluNkulu. So uJesu simbona ephilela intando kaNkuluNkulu, ayenze nanoma esebhekene nesiphambano, isikhathi esinzima bazalwane, isikhathi esinzima sempilo yakhe, isikhathi esibhlungu, kodwa wayibekezelela intando kaNkuluNkulu. So uyabona nje namanje bazalwane kunezimo omunye nomunye adlula kuzo, and sometimes mawuphakathi kwesimo ufuna ama shortcut, ufuna iway out, ufuna ukushesha uphume kuleso simo, kanti ezinye izinto uThixo uzihlelile ukuthi uzodlula kuzo and iprocess uzoyiqeda. Yingakho ungabheka ngapha nangapha, ufuna shortcut ngapha nangapha, ufuna isolution ngapha nangapha. uNkulunkulu athi no, kwamanje wena you are in a process, wena you are in a process yokuthi uzongazi kangcono ukuthi ngubani. So uNkulunkulu kube ngathi uvala iminyango yebazalwane, kuyasazi isikhathi la khona udlula ngathi usehlane, uNkulunkulu avale yonke iminyango engathi kulethela usizo, ayivala uNkulunkulu, kanti ufuna ukufundisa wena ukuthemba yena, yabona, ufuna ukufundisa wena ukuhamba naye, uyabona ke. So ngikhumbula ikhathi bazalwane masifunda ngoJobe, uzwe kuthiwa uthi uJobe ngamfuna uNkulunkulu. Kwakusent bazalwane inhlupheko kaJobe yayisentandweni kaNkulunkulu, yaxoxwe emazulwini. uNkulunkulu wakhuluma, waba nemeeting ezulwini, kwafika uSathane, an uninvited guest, and kwaUNkulunkulu oqala iconversation noSathane athi ufunani, uyiqaphelile yini incebo yami uJobe emhlabeni, ngoba akekho njengaye. So So inhlupheko kaJobe beyisentandweni kodwa beyinzima, you know, ukufelwa abantwana bakho bonke bawu10 bafe bonke one day, athathelwe imfuyo yakhe yonke. So uJobe uvuke ekseni yonke into ihamba kahle, uJobe ecebile lithi was the greatest of all the people of the east, but uJobe malishona ilanga he was bankrupt uJobe, and he was childless uJobe. Kwangathi kuncane lokho. The next meeting eyayikhona ezulwini wafika futhi uSathane, noma efika waphinda futhi kwathi umqapheleleni incoko yami uJobe ngoba akekho njengaye. Yazi basalwane yanginyakazisa lento kaJobe because sitshelwa ngecharacter kaJobe before sitshelwa ngokuthi wayinani. Esikhathini esiningi thina sifuna ukuba bazi umuntu ngokwezinto anazo, uyabona, sibabaza umuntu, sim-admire umuntu ngokwezinto anazo. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uma ekhuluma ngoJobe uqala nje ngokusitshela ukuthi i-character kaJobe injani. You see, mawufunda uJob chapter 1, you know, ubheke uverse 1 lithi, then there was a man in the land of Uz whose name was Job, and that man was blameless. Yabona character yakhe, he was blameless, he was upright, and the one who feared God and he shunned evil. So uJobe kuvezwa izinto ezo4 ezibalulekile ngempilo yakhe ukuthi ubenjani. Kuthiwa uJobe was a blameless man, you know. uJobe bekuwumuntu, not an innocent man, but he was a blameless man. Kusho ukuthi uJobe bekungananto ongamsola ngayo imfanele, yabona. Ukuba blameless kusho lokho, you know. Ukuba innocent, you see, uma uya correctional service uthola abanye abantu lapha abazalwana ababoshiwe and abenza ngalutho, like seriously uboshelwe into engekho kodwa iyamfanela lento yenza aboshwe ukuthi uyafaneleka, you know. Kusho ukuthi he is innocent but is not blameless. So uJobe kuthiwa he was blameless, you know. He was upright. Bekuyindoda elungile le bazalwane, indoda elungile le, you know. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi izenzo zakhe bezilungile uJobe, you know. Jobe wayemsaba uNkulunkulu, he feared God, and uJobe he shunned evil because bazalwane even yazi okubi ne okubi kusho ukuthi uJobe wayebalekela okubi. Ngamanye amazwi wayebalekela isono uJobe bengasi umuntu ofuna ukuyithola ezintweni ezirong. He shunned evil because izinto ezimbi zinako ukugijimisa, but you must run away. uPaul atshela uTimothy athi ubalekele inkanuko zobusha because okubi kuyabalekelwa abazalwane, ngoba lithi iBhayibheli ukujwayelana nababe kubonakalisa ukuyiphatha okuhle. So into ezimbi uyayibalekela in life, uyabona, uyayibalekela izinto ezimbi. Kodwa ke manje ngila ekutheni uJobe sitshelwa ngecharacter yakhe before sitshelwa ngokuthi unani. And uma esehlelwe yonke into uJobe bazalwane, eseshayekile uJobe, eselahlekelwe yikho konke uJobe, you know. And then uNkulunkulu still usakhuluma lawo mazwi eselahlekelwe konke engakaguli. So ngamanye amazwi, in preparation of the second attack uSathane azoyiletha empilweni kaJobe, uNkulunkulu usakhuluma lawo mazwi. Uthi uNkulunkulu ku chapter 2, and the Lord said to Satan, have you considered my servant Job, that there is none like him on earth? Kodwa sewulahlekelwe konke, but he's still blameless, he is still upright, he's still the one who fears God and he shuns evil. Nanoma sekunje lithi uyaqhubeka uNkulunkulu uthi, and still he holds fast to his integrity, although you incited me against him to destroy him without a cause. Noma se wena wenza ukuthi ngimhlukumeze kunganasi zathu, kodwa uJobe akakasuki kulokho ayikho. Job akakasuki ekumsabeni uNkulunkulu. Yebazalwane, uJob uyangchallenge kakhulu. Yingakho sifunda okukhulu ngoJob naphakathi kwezimo. Abanye abantu bazalwane bayamhlazisa uNkulunkulu masebe phakathi kwezimo ezibhlungu. Kanti awazi ukuthi leso simo leso is in the will of God. Leso simo leso uyabona. Ufuna ama shortcut manje, ufuna easy way out manje, and now you compromise your character, you compromise your integrity. You know, egcineni abantu abasambona uNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho. Abantu sebe egcineni bazalo, you see, ama shortcut ane danger kakhulu. You see, ama shortcut ane danger kakhulu. So uma ufuna easy way out, kuyenzeka ukuthi usuke enkosini ulahleke. Yabo. So uJob wabambelela kunjalo, and bazalwane uJob washawa ngamathumba umzimba wonke, and yonke lento leyo bisentandweni kaNkulunkulu. Yabona, ingakho besingeke sibe no chapter 42 eselithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wabuyisa konke okwakumlahlekela uJob ekuphinda kabili. Besingeke sibe nawo lo chapter uma ngabe uJob engazange wabekezelela izimo ayedlula kuzo. So namhlanje sokukhuluma ngentando kaNkulunkulu, ngoba ngesinye isikhathi uyenza ukhala intando kaNkulunkulu, uyenza inyembe zehla ya, kodwa uyenza uzwa ukuthi yazi lento lengiyenza namhlanje it's against what I want. This thing is hurting me, but because it's the will of God I will do it. So uJesu bazalwane, he was under pressure naye. Ingakho lithi, you know, even umjuluko wakhe kwakungathi amaconsi egazi, he was under pressure. God, he was praying for the will of God, you see. So ke ingakho namhlanje siyakhuthazana bazalwane ukuthi even in the midst of this pandemic COVID-19, let us be in the will of God. Let us be in the will of God bazalwane. Bakungathi lesi simo esikhona senze ukuthi uNkulunkulu angabonakali. Akuthi mase sidlulile isimo abantu bathi kodwa siwabonile amakholwa, siwabonile abantu abangasuki abangayishiya indawo yabo, sibabonile abantu abangabi shaken nanoma izimo zinzima, uyabona. So ke ilapho bazalwane. So ke uJesu waba sentandweni nanoma ese under pressure sokunzima. Uma izolo sifundile leli verse, but kuhle ukuthi siphinde sikhumbuzane ngalo, ngoba izolo siqale ngalo kuthiwa uJohn chapter 4 verse 34 kuthiwa Jesus said to them, my food is to do the will of him who sent me and to finish his work. That is my food. Uthi intando ukuthi udla kwami. uJesu bazalwane usifundise enye into la ukuthi ukuba sentandweni kaNkulunkulu kuletha satisfaction in life. Yazi bazalwane, abantu abaningi bazilimazile empilweni. Bazilimaza ngokufuna izinto becabanga ukuthi zizoletha ukuneliseka. Izinto azikulethi ukuneliseka. Izinto zalomhlaba aziyilethi satisfaction bazalwane. Now ufuna satisfaction, be in the will of God. Now ufuna ukuneliseka kukho ezintweni bazalwane. Yingakho kunabantu you know abaze bangena kuyikwelete ezinzima bazalwane. Njengamanje njoba kunjena nje, ibona abantu abastressed kakhulu, ibona abantu abaphenika kakhulu, ibona abantu abangalali kakhulu, ngoba umuntu uyacabanga ukuthi Nkosi yami le kwelete ezingaka ngizophuma kanjani kuzo. Kodwa izinto angena kuzo, it's not that kade esidinga kwangempela, but it's just that bekacabanga ukuthi uma esenazo uzoba satisfied. Kodwa kwathola ukuthi satisfaction ayitholakali ezintweni bazalwane. Satisfaction itholakala in the will of God. uJesu uthi ukudla kwami ukwenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi uJesu uthi uma ngenza intando kaNkulunkulu ngisuthi. Yaba nelisekile empilweni. Uma ungayazi lento, hamba umbuza uJobe bazalwane. uJobe simuzwa ethi konke kuyize, konke uthi izeleze konke kuyize. Uyazi manje uJobe ukhuluma lamazwi athi kuyizeleze konke, ukhuluma ngesikhathi nayo yonke into ongayicabanga emhlabeni. You see, uJobe bazalwane, uma uNkulunkulu ethi kuyecela okuthandayo ngikwenzela, uthi uJobe ngicela ukuhlakanipha, this man, I mean uSolomon uthi ngicela ukuhlakanipha. uNkulunkulu wanikeza uSolomon